Okay, so this is activity 1.2, part 2. I'm going to explain where all of the answers come from. Okay, so we're again looking at this. So we already said that A was not congruent to the original, so I left that part blank. So now let's look at B. So this is the original. You can see that it's pretty close to the same exact shape. So let's just try sliding it. Sliding it is typically your easiest one, so let's try sliding it. And look, it is the same. So B is congruent, yes. And all I did was I pushed my paper up. I didn't flip it, I didn't have to spin it or anything. So I'm just going to say slide. So we slid it up. Okay, C. Always go back to the original because it's asking about the original. So there I am back at the original. And then let's try sliding it. Well, those are definitely not congruent. C is definitely larger. So I'm going to say no. And I'm going to leave that one blank. D, okay, let's try sliding it over. Well, if you notice, the leaves or the petals are on the opposite side. So let's try flipping it and see if that gives us anything. Oh, so that look at that. It did give you the right one. So D is yes. We first had to slide it over. So we slid. And I don't know why I put an arrow. And then we call this flipped because we flipped the paper over. You could also, if you had it the other way, so say you flipped it first, like that, and then slid it over, it's the same thing. So you just want to make sure that you have the word slide and the word flip. It doesn't matter if you put flip then slide, it doesn't matter. Okay, so E, remember, you have to put it back to the original. So if we slide it over, well, that definitely doesn't work. So let's try flipping it. Nope, that's not right. Let's try sliding and then spinning. So let's slide it over and then spin my paper. Ooh, that one does work. So it would be yes. That one is tricky because you would think that flipping it, well, that didn't work. But you remember you can spin it, so you can spin the paper as well. So we slid and spin. Okay, next one. Oops. Go back to the original, and that's why I wrote my words on the front so I could see. Okay, now let's go to F. F is down here. So we know we definitely have to slide it over. Now let's try just spinning it. Oh, yep, so that one is also a yes. We slid to get over close, and it was a spin. Okay, hopefully you guys can see that well enough. And then G, go back to the original, and let's just try sliding it down. Ooh, it looks smaller, because if you look at this one, it fills up the whole thing, pretty much. This one definitely looks smaller. So we're going to put no. Sorry, I'm moving on my chair. All right, go back to the original. Now let's just try sliding. Oops, that didn't work. So notice the leaves are on the opposite sides, so let's flip again. Oh, yep, that's it. So yes, and it was a slide and flip. So again, I've been splitting it up kind of so that you can try it on your own, and then once you try it on your own, that's when you will watch this part of the video and you will see the actual explanation. Okay, so hopefully that wasn't too bad. Hopefully you got that. And then we will have an assignment that goes with this, and it's pretty much just going to say, yes, it was congruent, no, it wasn't congruent, And then if it was congruent, was it a slide and a flip? Was it a slide and a spin? Was it just a slide? So all of the combinations of how it could have been done.